morning, afternoon, or evening, lovely lords and ladies of YouTubia. Welcome to another thrill-minute, action-packed, exceptionally moist, and completely full of anarchy because it's November 6th. You guys know what's going on. Anyhow, we'll leave that aside. Anyhow, so it's about week 2 of the rebuild. What are you doing? Week 2 of the rebuild here of the motorcycle. I'm going to call Shadowfax after the horse that Gandalf the Grey rode in Lord of the Rings. 2 Towers, something like that. So I've done quite a bit of work, replaced all the plastics for the most part, cleaned everything up as best I could. Definitely need to get rid of that. It's horrendous. Still have spray paint on that. That's insane. I did get it started once and it has since decided it doesn't want to start. Isn't that sad? It's very sad. Anyhow, so now I've got some starter fluid. I've got a spark wrench. We've got a new spark plug, and we're going to see what we can do to get her started today. Actually, it's a boy. Get him started today. Let's get on it.